Hello Swing2App users! In this video, we will discuss one of the basic feature page called as the admin chat. This feature allows the app admin and users to exchange conversations in real time. To apply the admin chat page in your app, first select the menu by clicking on it. Go to the page design area and click on the basic feature option. Hover your mouse over the admin chat page and click on the apply button, and then click on the Save button. Click on the Preview button to check the admin chat menu. To upload a picture, click on the Add button. Write message text in this area and send message by clicking on this chat icon. Now let's see how app admin can view and reply to users' chat. Go to the Manager page. On Service, click on the Admin Chat option. On the Chat List page, admin can use different filter option to select user chat. Click on the username to open chat screen. From here, you can reply to your users. Once conversation is completed, you can leave the chat room. First, select the chat room by clicking on the user's checkbox button, and then click on the Leave Chat Room button. From Chat Settings page, you can enable and disable chat function and chat notification. With About Chat window option, default messages can be set when users join chat rooms. You can set chat day availability and time duration from here. With About Unavailable to Chat option, default messages can be set when chat window is disabled. Once you're satisfied with the chat setting, click on the Save button to apply it. Let's see how admin chat page will appear in our app. Create your app with Swing2App now. Thanks for watching.